Okay guys, Daniel here, Clean Max Exterior in Worcester, Massachusetts. And we are back again for the condominium house wash. I'm gonna be doing this building. The one after the pickup truck over there didn't have one single faucet available, so luckily this one right there in the middle did have their water turned on, so it's just another hassle to do it, but hey, we got water. So I'm gonna be doing this building, the entire siding as usual, and I'm gonna be shooting a 0.5%. so yeah, I cut my cami half, so probably it's gonna be a 0.5%, 6%, something like that. And we have about 23 gallons of shock in the tank, so we'll see how much shock we spend here just on this one. And if I have time, I may do this building as well, but I highly doubt it. Okay, all done with this. Just the front side only. This took like 1 hour and a half. Just ridiculous. I don't know why. There's almost no wind. The only issue is there's not enough water flow here. Now I'm having to wait like maybe 10 minutes for the water, for the tank to get at a decent level so I can start washing again. But yeah, this is ridiculous. 1 hour and 30 minutes just for the front. I imagine the backside is gonna go a lot more smooth and quicker because there's not as much angle as the front. It's just a lot of weird angles that I had to cover, so we'll see. So here's the backside. Again, I think this is gonna be a lot quicker. It's just flat surface, no weird angles. It's just flat, which is gonna be easier. I'm gonna tackle 3 at a time instead of rinsing everything and soaping everything. Just 3 at a time, and that way I think it'll be more effective. And then to finish, it will be these walls here, the right side and the left side of the building, which will take, I don't know, maybe 1 hour. If not 1 hour each, maybe 1 hour in total, because they're not really that bad. And the backside necessarily isn't that bad. Maybe those gutters are almost black, but that's it. And I'm going to dial up the cam just a little bit because I don't want to spend too much time soaping. So okay, so yeah, I don't know why it's taking me so long to clean these buildings, or even if it is a residential cleaning. With the current setup that I have, I can only do maybe 2 houses a day, sometimes 3, depending on the size of the house. I don't know if that's the correct amount. I've seen other people do 4 houses, 5 houses with this same setup. So I don't know what's the issue. Maybe I'm rinsing too much, maybe I'm soaping too much. I don't know what. I do think I have my setting up my hoses and everything like that in place, so it's not that. Just maybe it is the rinsing part and the soaping part. I just take too long. Okay. Okay, just soak this side, and it's drying really quick because of the temperature. It's over 70 degrees, and there's also no wind. It's like 5 miles per hour. That's the wind, so nothing too bad. But still, it dries pretty quick. Let me see how fast I can rinse them, because it's been over 5 minutes, and I can see all of the stuff on the gutters. It's completely gone. I don't know if you can see it from the camera here, but all the black and the black mold is completely gone. So I'm gonna be rinsing now. Okay, this took about 12 minutes just to rinse this. So in total 20 minutes soaping, pre-wetting, soaping, and rinsing. So big difference from the one in the front. So it will be another 20 minutes there. Yeah, let's see how long this wall over here is gonna take. Okay, 7 minutes total for pre-wetting the surface and then applying the chem. And this giant wall. So let's see how long it takes for rinsing. The good thing, there's only pores appearing on this siding, so the chem reacts right away and kills the pores. So I can rinse at 2 minutes after applying the soap. So very convenient, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so it's gonna be 26 minutes total for let's call it 25 for pre-wetting, soaping, and rinsing this wall, which is a lot faster than yesterday. Just on one of these wall, I would spend 1 hour and spraying, trying to spray chemical and wasting chemical because of the stupid wind. But thankfully there's almost no wind today, thank God, and we're able to clean a lot faster. Okay, so another hour and then I'll be done. Okay, I'm all done with this building, and I went ahead and started this one. All done with the front. Now I'm gonna do this side as well. And if it's not too late, I'll do the whole building. Why not? Okay, this wall is soaked already, and I'm about to get to rinsing. And I had to be careful with all of this siding, by the way, because the last year, I noticed heavy oxidation on these vinyl siding homes, condos, and it's not good. So low pressure soaping, rinsing, whatever, because I don't want to have an issue with this contract. So okay, so we are done with everything here. This one took about let's see, I started at almost 3 hours, like 2 hours and a half, which is it's pretty good. And we're all done, with the exception of one unit in the back. The owner has a lot of vegetation on the deck, so we had to skip that one as requested by the unit owner. It's gonna be number 6. So we just avoid all the plants there, so we don't kill anything. And we ended up using about, let's see, I have 6 gallons left, so almost 7 minus 23. Like 13 gallons of shock. it's not bad. It's good. Pretty decent for these both buildings. That's gonna be like 12 units in total. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna leave it up to here, and I'm gonna get home, take a shower, eat something, and I guess I'll catch you next tomorrow, so you can watch that one at the end. And that is it for me.